Welcome back friends. Today we learn about Misoprostol 200 microgram capsule. Misoprostol 200 tablet is a medicine used for medical abortion. It is also used to preventing excess bleeding after delivery. This medicine acts on the uterus and increase its contraction. Misoprostol 200 tablet is given alone or in combination with some other medicines to attain the maximum benefit. It should be taken with food or as your doctor's advice. It should be taken orally. By swallow the tablets whole with a drink of water. If you experience vomiting within 30 minutes of tablet intake, inform your doctor or take another tablet. The medicine may take 24 hours to show its action and you experience bleeding. Common side effects of this medicine include infection following abortion, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, cramps, uterine contraction or cramping, uterine bleeding, heavy bleeding, and fetal malformations. If these both you or appear serious, let your doctor know. There may be ways of reduction or preventing them. Usually vaginal bleeding may last for 12 days. Inform your doctor if it is last for more than 12 days or you notice severe abdominal pain. Before taking this medicine, tell your doctor if you have ever had an ectopic pregnancy or you are breastfeeding or using an intrauterine device. Your doctor should also know about all other medicines you are taking, as many of these may make these medicines less effective or change the way it works. You must avoid strenuous activity like heavy exercise, running, and driving while abortion, as it can affect the bleeding. Your doctor may perform an ultrasound or pelvic examination to check for abortion completion. If we talk about in short usage of misoprostol tablet, then misoprostol 200 microgram tablet is prescribed for medical abortion or post-delivery bleeding. Now we move to benefits of misoprostol tablet in medical abortion. Misoprostol 200 tablet is used to cause an abortion during the early part of a pregnancy. It is used up to week 10 of pregnancy, like up to 70 days after the first day of your last menstrual period. This medicine effectively blocks the natural female hormone called progesterone that is needed for your pregnancy to continue. Please use it only as advised by your doctor. Misoprostol 200 microgram tablet is used to cause an abortion during the early part of a pregnancy. It is used up to week of pregnancy. This medicine effectively blocks the natural female hormone called progesterone that is needed for your pregnancy to continue. Please use it only as advised by your doctor. In post-delivery bleeding, misoprostol 200 microgram tablet helps to control excess bleeding after giving birth. This helps to prevent severe loss of blood that can lead to dropping of blood pressure, shock, and even death if not controlled in time. It helps proper contraction of the uterus and therefore prevents hemorrhage and further complications. In last, we move to how misoprostol tablet works. Misoprostol 200 microgram tablet increases contraction of the uterus to cause abortion. It can also prevent post-delivery bleeding due to poor contraction of the uterus. That's all about misoprostol 200 microgram tablet friends. Take care friends. Bye bye and be careful medicine usage.